Hi, I'm Vijayan, Head of Sales for Bilz in India. We are happy to be at the IMTEX show and we have had a fantastic 3 days. The response has been very good. We have highlighted and happy to present some important and new products in the show. I will slowly introduce to each one of them. Bilz is known for quick change tapping systems and has been in this space for many decades. It was natural for us to go as a forward integration into tap manufacturing. Uh, Last year in 2024, we invested quite some uh, value, heavily into tap manufacturing, basically expanding capacity and also adding, high-end machines for making roll taps. This is a new range of taps. This has been a focus product for us at the show. We've almost doubled the capacity and looking forward to establishing the market for Bilz in the coming years. Bilz is also known in the market for quick shrink fit systems, being the inventor of the system and the first to the market. In the show, we are demonstrating the new variants of shrink machines, something called the TMG. We have come introduced now with the touch screen. We also have introduced the new tabletop modular unit, which is up to 32 diameter, along with a cooling unit. Uh, the whole process cycle time for this heating and cooling can be done in less than a minute. This is our most economical model. We also have the 2431s, the latest generation shrink machines.